Hi guys, Dr. Jassy Sidhu here. Today I'm going to show you why I love the iTero scanner so much. Because it takes an extremely accurate scan of your teeth, which is a little bit like a digital impression, but much more accurate than any impression material we have available to us. It also enables us to see it on the screen and show you, the patient, what your teeth look like, and we can then go through it together. That's awesome. I'm going to dive straight in now. I'm going to do a scan and then we're going to show you guys the results. Now that we've taken a scan of the patient's teeth, the iTero scanner is going to do a simulation of what it believes we can get the teeth to. iTero has done the simulation. I can go through with yourself, the patient, what the teeth look like at the moment and what we could potentially get them to. And the great thing is we can look at it from all angles, so we can see it from a bird's eye view from the top teeth and the bottom teeth as well, so we can see that we're getting rid of all the crowding and we're straightening all the teeth. But this is fantastic because you can see what you're going to get before you commit to treatment. Don't forget, we've got a fantastic offer on where you could save £1,600 on the original price. All you have to do to qualify for that is attend on the open day.